Hi, my name is Luis. I'm with my team, that is Andres, Paolo, and Emiliano. We're going to talk about free trade. But first, have you ever wondered why you can buy smartphones from Korea, clothes from China, or coffee from Colombia? All of this is possible thanks to something called free trade, a key concept that shapes how products are made, sold, and consumed around the world. And today, we're going to explain what free trade is, why it exists, how it works, and the main advantages and disadvantages. By the end, you'll understand why free trade matters in our everyday lives. We have to answer the first question. What is free trade? Free trade is an economic system where countries can buy and sell goods with each other without barriers. These barriers can include import taxes, quotas, or strict government restrictions. In simple terms, free trade allows products to move freely from one country to another, almost as if the whole world were one big marketplace. The idea is to make international trade easier, faster, and more efficient.
Hi everyone, my name is Andres and I'm going to talk about why does free trade exist. There are two main ideas behind free trade. Number one, comparative advantage. Each country is better at producing certain goods than others. When countries especially in that they do best, everyone benefits. For example, Mexico exports cars and avocados, Japan exports technology, Brazil exports coffee. And number two, global efficiency. When countries, especially production becomes more efficient, price go down, and consumers get more availability, free trade helps create a system where resources are used in the best possible way. How does free trade work in practice? Free trade often happens through trade agreements such as USMCA, United States, Mexico, Canada Agreement, the European Union, and Mercosur. These agreements reduce or eliminate taxes on imports, create common rules, and make it easier for companies to export and import goods. As a result, business can reach international markets and consumers gain access to more products at lower prices. Advantage of free trade: more product variety. Consumers can buy goods from all around the world, from electronics to clothes to food. Lower prices. Competition between global companies pushes prices down and improves quality. Specialization and higher productivity. Countries focus on industries where they are most competitive, improving efficiency. Encourages innovation. Companies must constantly improve to compete internationally, which promotes new technology and better products.
Point number 5, advantages of free trade. 1. More product variety. Consumers can buy goods from all around the world, from electronics, clothes to food. Lower prices. Competition between global companies pushes prices down and improves quality. Number 3, specialization and higher productivity. Countries focus on industries where they are most competitive, improving efficiency. Number 4, encourages innovation. Companies must constantly improve to compete internationally, which promotes new technologies and better products. Number 5, job creation in export sectors. And the next point is disadvantages or criticisms. 1. Unequal competition. Small local business may struggle to compete with large multinational companies. 2. Dependence on other countries. If a country stops exporting a key material, it can affect another country's economy or production. 3. Impact on vulnerable sectors. Traditional farmers or small manufacturers can suffer when cheaper imported products enter the market. 4. Environmental or labor concerns. Some countries produce cheap goods because they have weaker environmental laws or lower labor standards. Sometimes in the working world, certain advantages can be used to add value rather than subtract as much as we might expect.
Everyday examples. Most products we use today involve free trade. Your phone probably has components from multiple countries. Cars assembled in Mexico often use parts from the USA and Canada. Even a simple shirt may have fabric from one country and stitching from another. Free trade creates these global supply chains. Conclusion. Free trade is a powerful force that shapes today's global economy. It brings major benefits like lower prices and greater product variety. But it also creates challenge, especially for smaller or less competitive industries. Understanding free trade helps us how to see connect and interdependent the world has become.